Welcome! Today in our HardReset.Info volume test we are going to check how loud this Realme C21Y can play songs. So we are going to measure sound level with this decibelmeter, and right now I'm gonna to turn it on to the highest volume mode. It means that this device, this value that you have see on the screen will change only when the device register the highest volume level than the previous one. So right now I'm going to simply set up the highest quality right here and also set it up to the highest volume level. And let's start the test. Okay, so as you can see, Realme C21Y reach 108.5 decibels. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.